Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is called as question mark. Interrogative sentence starting capital letter and ends with question mark is called as interrogative sentence. Verb form, action verb plus subject plus object. Example: am I not going to school? Am I going to school? Am I not going to school? Is called as interrogative sentence. Next one, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, order, request, suggestion, advice is called as the imperative sentence. Example: stand up, get out.
Hello everyone, good evening. Today concept is sentence. Sentence meaning group of word give that complete meaning. Sentence kinds of a five sentence, declarative sentence or assertive sentence, and interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence, and operative sentence, and imperative sentence. First one, declarative sentence. Declarative sentence is meaning declare sentence and simple sentence is the first one capital letter and you end with full point. In the second one, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is use of question and question mark, end of a question mark. And third one, sentence, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence called suggestion and greeting and desire and happy order and called a imperative sentence. In fourth one sentence, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence called mean suddenly and strong feelings is a called exclamatory sentence. In a fifth one sentence, operative sentence. Operative sentence mean wishes and pairs and desire in called operative sentence. Is a total sentence.
First one, declarative sentence, group of words, starting with capital, ends with the full point. Second one, imperative sentence, helping verb, helping verb, helping verb, WH words, starting with capital, ends with question mark. Imperative sentence, strong, request, order, suggestion. Fourth one, exclamatory sentence, some sudden strong feeling.
Good evening to everyone. I am going to telling about sentences. A sentence group of words. There are 5 types of sentence. First one is declarative sentence. A sentence that states or declares something. And second one is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is used for ask some questions, ask about some questions. And third one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is used for gives a command, request, suggestion, and order and warning. And fourth one is exclamatory sentence. A sentence that wish. So not sir. The exclamatory sentence is some sudden and strong feeling, about strong feeling. And fifth one is optative sentence. We used this for wish, prayers, or desires. For desires.
Sentences. What sentences? Group of word that give full meaning as called a sentence. 5 kinds of sentence. First one, declarative sentence, second one interrogative sentence, third one imperative sentence, fourth one exclamatory sentence, last one obituative sentence. The declarative sentence as a sentence that declares or states, and second one interrogative sentence ask for questions used, and third one imperative sentence that a sentence that request, order, warning, suggestion, called an imperative sentence. Fourth one exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence means it means sudden some sudden strong feeling, called a exclamatory sentence. Last one operative sentence, a sentence that desired, wishes, and
Hi friend, good afternoon. First sentence of five types. First one declarative sentence. Second one interrogative sentence. Third one interrogative sentence. Fourth one exclamative sentence. Fifth one affirmative sentence. First one starting is capital letter, ending is full point. Second interrogative sentence, helping or plus WH words. Interrogating request plus suggestion, order.
Going to Bengaluru. These are two parts of sentence. First one is class. Second one is praise. There are five types of sentence. First one is a declarative sentence. In this declarative sentence, states are declares something. And second one is interrogative sentence. In this sentence, asking for the question. Third one is imperative sentence. In this sentence, order, suggestion, request. Next sentence, exclamatory sentence. In this sentence, some sudden and strong feelings. Rules starting with capital letters ends with the exclamatory symbol. This is the last sentence is optative sentence. In this sentence, wishes, pray. Thank you so much.
Declarative sentence. Second one interrogate. Second one interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, question mark, and I am going to school. I am not going to school. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, and object, subject,